Hi everybody, this is Phyllis speaking, and this is a short tutorial to show you how the new identification key Mosky tool works. As shown on the website, the first step is to download the database and Expert2 software into your computer. We recommend the version 2.3.2 for now. Then we open it, and we open the database by clicking File, Open a Base, and the XPD file. This is how the Mosky tool looks like. The first column shows us the questions, which we call descriptors, and the answers, which we call states. And the second column includes a description of the selected question and the visual, sometimes more than one. And the third column, species list, and every time we answer a question, some of them will be discarded. Before we start the identification process, we will select the best descriptor, model, expert original sort, so that the program will select the most significant question for us. We will read the question, decide our answer with the help of the visual. I will select adult, click on it, and click submit. We recommend you to select the neighboring countries as well as the sampling site, and this can be done by using the control button in PC and command button on Macintosh computers. Here, for example, I will select Bulgaria and Greece. Let's keep going in order to identify our sample. The palpus are clearly shorter than proboscis. The wings are dark with dark spots, but also if you are not sure, you can select entirely dark too. The abdomen has a lot of pale scales, and this part of the leg has a longitudinal stripe of pale scales. Here is our final result, and some information on the species. And to start again, you can click Reset. Let's try again with another example. This time I will give more details. I will again select Expert Original Sort for the best descriptor, and when I do, some numbers will appear next to the descriptors. This means the first one is more important than the other three. I will select Adult, Long Palpi, and if you think you made a wrong decision, you can go back by clicking on Description in Progress here, select the question, and either go back to the previous version by clicking X, or change your answer and click Submit. Let's go with dark wings with dark spots and many pale scales on the abdomen. Well, for example, now we see the same number next to these 4 questions. This means these 4 descriptors have the same importance, so we can select whichever we want. Also, if you see a very distinct character on the legs, for example, and you want to see only the descriptors of the leg, you can filter your descriptors by selecting the group. I can now select either one of them. If you want to see what your remaining items look like, just click on them and double-click on the image. This will help you to make sure that you're on the right track. Well, you can also select both of the species, click Comparison, to see which characters are more suitable for discrimination. And below, you can see there are more than a few. Let's answer our last question. And that's it for now. We hope you will find the Mosky tool helpful. Bye bye!